In this video, I'm going to talk about route groups. Let's say I want to create routes of, let's say, get method, and here I'm going to say that okay, I want URL with, let's say, users. Let's say I want to add here URL that is page, and then I want to show student information, and the first one is student 1, and I want to create for student 2 and student 3 also. So this is student 2, and this is student 3. But here you can see one thing is common, and that is page, right? Page. So let's say I have 30 different routes, and every single time if I need to change anything in the route, I have to actually scroll through all the pages, or I have to write every single time this page slash URL, right? Slash page. And that is the reason why we need route groups. So we have page, right? Similar URL, we can actually create a group of page. So how? And let me show you. At first, I'm going to create 3 view for all the 3 students. So let's create, go to the resources here, and then views, and here I'm going to create new file, and I will say student1.blade.php. I'm going to create new one, so new file, save student2.blade.php. And now let's go for the third student, student3.blade.php. I'll say this is student 3. Here I'm going to say this is student 2, and here I'm going to say this is student 1. So now I can actually say here that okay, I will go to user controller, I will go to user controller, and then colon plus comma, I want to target function. So I'm going to copy it for all other students. So I have to use here comma, use comma, then paste it, go here, use comma and paste it. I'm going to go to the controller, and that is in the app, then HTTP, then controller, and then user controller. Here I'm going to say public function student 1. I'm going to copy it for multiple times, or let's say I want to say here return view. Oops. Here I'm going to say okay, I want to return the student 1. I want to copy this function 3 times, and then this one will be for student 2, student 2, student 3, and 3. Here I'm going to say student 1 function, and then we need student 2, and here we want to add student 3 function. Now if you think about it, you can see that every single time we have to use slash page. So what about if I create a group of slash page, and then we just have to mention the next URL? So how to do this? We can actually create a group route, and like we have to say route, then colon prefix. And then we have to say, and then we have to use this arrow sign, and then we have to say group, and then colon. Now I can say here function, and I'm going to cut all of them from here, and I want to paste it inside the anonymous function. All right, now every single time I don't have to say this. What I have to say, I can actually remove this. Just have to use slash. Now I'll go to the browser. At first I have to serve it. At first I have to go to the open folder and then cmd. Then I have to say php artisan serve. Now I'll go to the browser. Here I'm going to say localhost slash. Now I need what? Page slash student 1, let's say. Okay, I don't know what is the problem. Routes not found. What? So this is the problem actually. We have to remove s because it's route, not routes. All right, now it will work. Let's go here. It will work. Okay, now go refresh, and here you can see this is student 1. So I don't actually have to change every single time page. I just have to say student 2. You can see student 2, and if I say student 3, it will show student 3. Okay, that's it. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.